Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix laptop touchpad is not working in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your touchpad is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go to your settings app and your Windows, just open settings, then go to Bluetooth and devices. Now just scroll down and look for touchpad here. Just click on touchpad and you just have to make sure that this toggle is enabled. So if you have accidentally disabled this toggle, it might disable your touchpad so you're unable to use touchpad. So you just have to enable this toggle to use touchpad. And once you have done, just scroll down and look for more touchpad settings. Click on this. Then click on this clickpad, or sometimes you might get touchpad here. Just click on this. And here you have to make sure that you have enabled this. If you find that this option is available, just disable so your touchpad is enabled, or if you might see enable option is available, so your touchpad might have been disabled. You just have to click on this option to enable this. And once you have enabled, it will fix your issue. Or if it still not fix your issue, just go to search and search for device manager. And in device manager, you just have to look for mic and other pointing device. Just click on this, and here's the clickpad or touchpad driver. You just have to right click on it, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. It will automatically search for drivers. If there will be any update for your touchpad driver, it will be updated, and after that you will not get the issue. Or if you are still facing the same issues, there's only way, just go to your start menu, and here the very first thing I recommend you just have to restart your device, or you can also check for any pending updates for your Windows, and then you can try to make a restart to fix any temporary glitch. So you just have to update your Windows and then go to restart your device, and once you have restarted, it might fix your issue. If it's still not fixed your issue, just go to system, then go to troubleshoot. Just troubleshoot, click on this, click on other troubleshooters, and here you just have to look for keyboard or touchpad. Or if you're unable to find any option like that, so you can click on this Bluetooth, click on run. It will run the troubleshooter and it will automatically fix your issue you have. So in this way, you can easily fix your touchpad in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.